Hi guys, so in this video one of my subscribers called Zach, we're going to do a challenge and see who can get the best stuff out of 2 diamond safes. Where to put that? Oh, what? I'll just put this over here. Well, I think this Goku guy wants some stuff, so let's give him something. What to give him, though, is the question. Honestly, don't know. I'll do a ring. Isn't this... Yeah, why not? He wants free item. Wants free item. You know what? Not the necklace right now. We'll save that for a... I'll save the necklace for a giveaway. Save the necklace for a giveaway. Okay, let's give this girl the diamond ring. Dang it. Who's gonna get here first is the question. Okay, then. My store. How does he not know that? Here's the item. Okay, successful giveaway. Wait. Don't know where he went. No one gonna claim it? Where the freak are they? Dylan. Have to get item. Won't stand still. I'll just give it to this guy then. Free. Free. Does he not understand that it's for free? Oh. Okay, well, they keep arguing. I'm in his store. What's so important? The skippity bob top, skippity top, skippity top, skippity top, skippity bob. I'm hoping I get gems though. I might just go to some auctions while I'm waiting. Don't really see anything in this auction I need. Bid anyways though, hoping for profit. Stop bidding, you gosh dang NPCs. Finally. Wow, this is the cheapest one I've ever seen. Only 88K. Dang it. Nothing really I need though. The Doge. Let's see if I even get profit. I did not expect getting see how many plane tickets you get? This video might take 20 minutes long, but okay then. Hi. This. Okay, after this. Okay, play after this video. Didn't expect the Doge cult to grow this much. Dang it. That's like a 4K loss. Dang it. It's probably all gonna be nothing but loss. 22K lost. Should I do this or should I not? Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. When are they gonna remove this out of game though? It's pointless. I mean, just look in here though. We can't even get any of the signs or anything yet anymore. What's the point of keeping this thing here? What should we grade as well? No. Anything in my inventory that I would be able to grade? I'm gonna grade the jewels. If they get gold or silver, I'm keeping them, but if they get like bronze or below, I'm gonna give them to you guys. I'm hoping for gems on this though, due to the fact though, in like our last video, I got like 500 gems out of a diamond safe, which was totally unexpected, but I'm grateful for it. And if any of you are unaware of the deal I'm running right now, I don't want to give like too many diamond safes for a gem safe, but I do 10 diamond safes for a cereal, maybe 12 depending on the number. It depends on the number if I'm going to pay 10, 12, maybe 16, I don't know. But it's always going to be 10 diamond safes for a gem safe. So, yeah, but it can vary if you're trying to give me a cereal for diamond safes. Which one did I start grading? Okay, good. I wish there was a lot easier way, though, to get gems in this game, though, because, well, I need gems to upgrade my store. I'm gonna upgrade it in September, but, like, I'm trying to make that process go quicker. I mean, I don't want to make you guys wait for, like, until, like, I don't want to let you guys wait 2 more months just for me to upgrade my store, so if you have any gem safes, I would love it if you could donate them so I can actually upgrade my store. Then again, though, I don't mind giving you diamond safes for the gem safes, so that way it would be fair for both of us. Let's see what I get. It'll call me whenever it's done. Whenever I do upgrade my store, though, I'll make sure it's a lot more organized than all this. I'll probably make a junk room for stuff like this, these safes, and this random stuff over here that I just don't need. In fact, these were most of the things my sister had, but she didn't really want them. And for some reason, this slide was graded gold, and it was her first gold, but she just decided to sell it anyways. Not now, later. Okay, let's see what the safe got. Please, God, I'm hoping for gems. Please, whatever. I'm hoping for gems. Please, if it's not gems, I'll probably give it away. Yeah. Dang it. Dang it. Me too. Okay, if any of you want if any of you want the Mars. The planet. Okay, next thing is gonna be set in. Okay, do what that sign says and sub up to the channel if you're watching this. If you subscribe, you could get a free item. I did not know you could go inside these things. Well, now I have a free hiding spot. Anyways, has my thing finished grading is the question. Or being close to done. Almost done. I'm just trying to make it clear. I'll probably give you guys anything from here as long as it has a duplicate, but if it doesn't have a duplicate, like this Sprinkles egg, you're not gonna get it, sadly. But like a Valentine's guitar, if you're lucky, maybe. Limiteds I don't really like giving away, but depending on how big they are or like if I need them or not, maybe. Also, BRB, guys. If I ever meet some of my fans in game, I have a way of deciding. I've made so the giveaway wheel, which will determine what you get, and the grade wheel is if it lands on an item, this will determine its grade. And if it lands on cereal, I'll just find a cereal that's closest to it. But the game of money is basically, if I'm giving away money, that's how to decide how much the person gets. Bid Battles Roulette, you simply get to bet on a number, and if you win, you get a certain item. This is how much numbers you can bet on, so yeah. Let's just get back to playing the actual game. Okay. Surely it's done by now. Come on, there's only been 1 minute. Okay, so I guess the for certain giveaway item for today is the Mars planet. So comment why you want the Mars planet, or like comment your username and what item you want. But for today, the items I'm going to be giving away is either a diamond safe, the ring, this, or the emerald necklace. Unless those jewels get a good grade, I'm not gonna give them away. But for certain, I'm giving away a diamond safe and a Mars safe. Zach. Hi, Zach. So far, guys, I've been winning in the challenge. He just now noticed I had all these cards. Also, yeah, if you have trading cards for trade, message me on YouTube and I might get some from you. Nah, I am good. I'll just read these signs for you. I'm trading cards, mythicals, and cereals. Cereals and mythicals that I have are for trade and Robux. And the rules for the giveaway are right there. And yeah, this shop is so messy, and trading the 100 diamond safes. Your worker is trash. Your friend wish your worker is trash. How dare you? How dare you? Ah, so my friend Wish joined the game.
This audio is made by Scrapper.
This music is getting annoying. Has it finished yet? Okay, yeah, so let's just wait here for it. If it's a bronze or lower, I'm probably just gonna... If it's a silver or above, I'm gonna keep it. But if it's a bronze, I'm not gonna keep it. Let's see what I get. Hoping for a gold, because I've never had like a gold jewelry before. So let's see. Okay, comment if you want this. No point in needing it. But let's put the other thing in real quick also. I was really disappointed though when I learned you can't make a mythical Doge trading card, which really disappointed me, but anyways. Let's just get on with it. I think it's done by now. What? How? While I'm waiting for those to grade, here are some bid battle tips if you're new. First, don't just do only accept offers above 25%. 25% or above, accept. Anything below, you shouldn't accept, especially things with red marking on it. That means they're offering less than it's actually worth in the first place. That's the way you can get the most money, is accepting 25 and above. Depending on what the item is, you should only try and sell it to VIP NPCs. But that leads us to our next question. Here are the my top three best game passes I think you should buy. First is the Lucky Appraisal. With the Lucky Appraisal, you can you can get better grades a lot more even. You can get like golds, silvers way easier, and also if you buy it, you'll never get a replica ever again. Second, speedy offers, so that way getting the things wouldn't take so long. And third would be VIP, because the VIP customers can offer plus 100% big customer tips, which is gems, and no selling fee, and as well as VIP chat pad. Also, by the way, I'm just saying, if you're trying to figure out what to spend your Robux on, if you need cash, do not spend it on cash. You can simply make 20K like very, very easily. Buy gems instead. That will help you upgrade your store and will be a lot better. That's really all I have for tips right now. Also, by the way, do not use this airport thing. Don't go to this airport place. It's the tickets. Enough of them can be worth enough of them can be worth a cereal or maybe even a gem save. So yeah, I don't recommend going to these auctions. And plus, the stuff you get out of them, it'll just start piling up and up and up. So just don't go to these auctions, please. So more items that I'm probably gonna give away in the future. Once I get my shop upgraded, I'll make a giveaway section, and anything in there will be for free if you want it. And the stuff in there could range anything from one of these planets, jewels. It could be anything. Or if you're really, really lucky, maybe even one of the original items I had when I first started the game, aka a Doge pot. But the chances of you getting that are like 1 in 50 billion from me. Okay, how much time is left on the locksmith? Okay, 4 minutes. And how much is left on the grade? 5 minutes. So it should be done at around the same time. And Zach left, sadly. My friend Pro is on. So let's pester him a little. Doesn't look like much I can pester him about, though. Dang it. I wonder if anybody has cereals. Check the Lucas guy's store. Dang it, his store is locked. Let's just check this guy's store. Probably not gonna have any seal. Yeah, I'm just gonna server hop. I'm hoping this isn't that long. Because, well, I don't want these videos to be long for you guys, and it'll take forever for you guys to watch. I always make sure to try and join a server with a Doge. Question is, who was it? Dang it. It is my quest to friend all Doges. The exchange. Locksmith. 2 minutes. Basically 3 minutes left. Okay. Let's see if anyone has any cereals. Brr, I'm always astonished how people get that much net worth in such a tiny shop. Now I'm starting to understand, though. Like, he has very valuable stuff. iCrusty. I'm looking for yellow. Okay, I have that. Okay. iCrust. Okay, does he want it? Is the question. Is he trying to make a mythical or something? Not acknowledging me, so I guess I'll just move on to the next store. Okay, this guy is Spanish, so if I want anything, I'm probably not gonna get it. Dang it, why did the server have to be Spanish? Welcome, humans. Okay. Don't see anything I need. Seriously. Tin pot. Tin pot. Tin pot. Went for the American Doge head. Yeah, guys, if you have a gold American Doge head, can you please message me so I can try and trade for it? Because it's literally the thing I need most to complete my Doge trading collection. Okay, guys, well, that's finished. BRB. BRB. Okay, let's see what I get from my safe. I'm praying and hoping it's it's gems. So let's see what I got. 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding me? Well, that's bad. Tin pot. Is it gold? Dang it. What you want? Doge. Another Doge head. Another Doge. BRB. Okay, guys, let's see what the grade of this is. If it's, let's see, I'm hoping for a gold, but if it's bronze or silver, I guess I'll just give it to you guys. It's bronze, I'm giving it to you guys. I'm gonna grade the Mona Lisa. I don't intend on giving it away, but let's see if he will accept a Doge head for it. A Doge head. Trade me. Oh, yeah, I need to trade him. Okay, why not this? Why not this? I mean, it's 2 Doge heads. One sec. What is a limited worth a lot? For sale only trade. You know what? Forget about Teapot then, I guess. No. Just okay then. No, doesn't. Won't leave me alone. Okay, nothing here. Coffee. gonna check out Lessa's store anyway, but yeah, we're gonna have to server hop. You know what? I'm just gonna end the video here. So, yeah. Peace.